Hello, Pestilence here with another lock that I've had for a while and I just inexplicably never did a video on it. So here it is. This is from the 8th to 10th century AD, I believe it was listed as. It was found in Ukraine. It came from a private collection and it is listed as being from Kievan Rus. What is Kievan Rus? Is it even pronounced like that? It was in the area that Kiev, I believe, is located, and Viking settlements and that sort of thing. And this one has a key that goes in the end there, tubular, and it does have something here. So I don't know if it's Viking ruins. However, it's a large padlock. It's interesting, and I wouldn't be surprised, and well, yeah, I don't think there's any chance that it would work. This was restored using electrolysis and then dipped in hot wax. So no, I don't think so. Okay. Once again, thanks for watching. Take care. Stay legal.